community. Acholi community. Acholi community, where are you? Aya. I tell you, Africa, outside the traditional dances, you can see them perform right here on the podium. Yes. In this song, it's saying, when God has opened doors, no one can close it. Yes, when God has opened doors, no one can close it. Once God has blessed you, no one can touch you. Once God has gifted you, no one will ever bring you down. That's the meaning of the song. Our way, our path is clear wherever we go. For those who don't speak the language, that's the meaning of the song. Our path is clear wherever we go. Yes. He's the God for the orphans. God for the widows. Yes, God of the orphans, that's the meaning of the song. Once he has opened doors, no one can close it. Yes. MC Gray, prepare. MC Gray, prepare after this. MC Gray, prepare after this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Rolling. Let's go. Aya. 1, 2, 1. Aya. Number 1. Ariyo. Manya, jale ki kome. Endo musik pire. Endo musik pire. Thank you so much for dancing. Thank you so much. Manya, jale ki kome. Nero uro. And we don't pay no man. Aya. Everyone's first.